Okay, so the next really good plot for exploring our categories in kind of in a very similar way to why the sunburst plot is good is the tree map plot. I'd say this one's works better when you have more categories you need to explore by and understand because we can kind of group them by and really highlight, what are the biggest ones or what are the lowest ones. We just have more space generally to be able to plot to visualize these more categories that we're dealing with. Another really handy feature is we can actually go kind of deeper into each section. So we can group this category by many values, by many other categories, even continuous variables, and start to understand, okay, so what happens in South Dakota here? What happens in California? And really allow for that second level of data analysis while we're right here, instead of going back to our data frame. And that just, it's this big time saver, and it can be really handy that we have that ability here in Plotly. And again, this is really good for still understanding the hierarchical structure of our categories and affecting how that kind of flows through our data, and really just giving us the ability to do that very quick and easy. But really handy that this allows us to do visualize categories with a lot more values, a lot more classes than we would be able to in the Sunburst plot.